VANEST Machinery Company Limited, established in 2016 and belong to VANEST Group. Our group specializes in material recycling machines since 2004, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of all kinds of scrap material recycling machine. VANEST Group located in Xi'an and set up several branches at Taizhou, Zhengzhou, and overseas agent. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We have many expensive on such orders and welcome to ask for refer. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Our tenet is VANEST, recycling and more, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. VANEST Group warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. VANEST, recycling and more for you.